Hey math superstars, welcome back. Today we're tackling something that sounds scary, but is actually one of the coolest tricks in all of math. Dividing fractions. I know. Fractions. Plus division sounds like double trouble. But here's a secret. There's a three-word trick called keep, change, flip that makes it totally easy. By the end of this video, you'll be dividing fractions faster than you can say pizza party. Let's do this. Okay, let's be real. Dividing whole numbers? Easy. 8 divided by 2 equals 4, no sweat. But when fractions show up, things can feel confusing. Like, what does it even mean to divide by 1/2? Here's the great news. Mathematicians discovered a genius shortcut hundreds of years ago. You never actually have to divide fractions. Instead, you flip one fraction and multiply. That's the big secret behind keep, change, flip. Let's break it down. Before we learn keep, change, flip, we need to understand one key word, reciprocal. Sounds fancy, right? It just means flip the fraction. Whatever is on top goes to the bottom, and whatever is on the bottom goes to the top. So the reciprocal of 3/4 is 4/3. The reciprocal of 1/2 is 2/1, which is just the whole number 2. Every single fraction has a reciprocal, and this flipping move is the secret weapon of fraction division. Cool, right? All right, here's the big moment, the keep, change, flip method. Step 1. Keep the first fraction exactly as it is. Don't touch it. Step 2. Change the division sign to a multiplication sign. Step 3. Flip the second fraction, write its reciprocal. And then, you just multiply like you always do. Top times top, bottom times bottom, and simplify if you can. That's it. 3 steps, and you're done. Parents, teachers, this little trick works every single time. Let's see it in action. Let's start with our first example, 1/2 divided by 1/4. Step 1, keep the first fraction. So we keep 1/2 right where it is. Step 2, change the division sign to a multiplication sign. Now our problem looks like 1/2 times something. Step 3, flip the second fraction. 1/4 flips to become 4/1, which equals 4. So now we have 1/2 times 4/1. Multiply the tops. 1 times 4 is 4. Multiply the bottoms. 2 times 1 is 2. We get 4 halves, and 4 divided by 2 is 2. 1/2 divided by 1/4 equals 2. That makes sense. There are 2 quarters and a $1/2. Boom. Let's try another one. 2/3 divided by 3/4. Step 1, keep 2/3. Don't change a thing about that first fraction. Step 2, change the division sign to multiplication. Step 3, flip 3/4. The numerator 3 and denominator 4 swap places, giving us 4/3. Now we have 2/3 times 4/3. Multiply across the top. 2 times 4 is 8. Multiply across the bottom. 3 times 3 is 9. Our answer is 8/9. Let's check, can we simplify? 8 and 9 share no common factors, so 8/9 is already in simplest form. You just divided 2 fractions like a total pro. Great question. What if you're dividing a fraction by a whole number, or a whole number by a fraction? No problem at all. Here's the move. Just write any whole number as a fraction by putting it over 1. 4 becomes 4/1. 6 becomes 6/1. Any whole number over 1 is still the same value. Once you do that, your problem has 2 fractions and you can use keep, change, flip exactly the same way. Easy upgrade. Let's see an example. Here we go. 3 divided by 1/2. First, let's write 3 as a fraction. 3/1. So now we have 3/1 divided by 1/2. Step 1, keep 3/1. Step 2, change division to multiplication. Step 3, flip 1/2. The numerator 1 and denominator 2 swap, so 1/2 becomes 2/1. Now we multiply. 3/1 times 2/1. 3 times 2 is 6. 1 times 1 is 1. 6/1 equals 6, so 3 divided by 1/2 is 6. Think about it. How many half slices fit into 3 whole pizza slices? 6. That's exactly right. Now let's flip it. What about a fraction divided by a whole number? Let's try 3/4 divided by 3. First, write 3 as 3/1. Now we have 3/4 divided by 3/1. Step 1. Keep 3/4. Step 2. Change division to multiplication. Step 3. Flip 3 over 1. 3 over 1 flips to become 1 over 3. Now multiply. 3/4 times 1/3. 3 times 1 is 3 on top. 4 times 3 is 12 on the bottom. We get 3/12. Can we simplify? Yes. 3 and 12 share a common factor of 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 12 divided by 3 is 4. Our final answer is 1/4. Amazing. Ready for the next level? What if you see a mixed number like 2 and 1/3? Before you can use keep, change, flip, you need to convert it to an improper fraction first. Here's how. Multiply the whole number by the denominator, then add the numerator, and keep the same denominator. So 2 and 1/3 becomes 2 times 3 equals 6, plus 1 equals 7, over 3. That's 7/3. Once you've converted all mixed numbers to improper fractions, you're ready to keep, change, flip like a champion. Let's put it all together with a mixed number example. 1 and 1/2 divided by 3/4. First, convert 1 and 1/2 to an improper fraction. 1 times 2 is 2, plus 1 is 3 over 2. So 1 and 1/2 becomes 3/2. Now we have 3/2 divided by 3/4. Step 1, keep 3/2. Step 2, change division to multiplication. Step 3, flip 3/4. 3/4 flips to become 4/3. Now multiply. 3/2 times 4/3. 3 times 4 is 12 on top. 2 times 3 is 6 on the bottom. We get 12/6. Simplify. 12 divided by 6 is 2. So 1 and 1/2 divided by 3/4 equals 2. Incredible. All right, let's solve a real-world problem. You have 5/6 of a pizza left, and you want to split it into portions that are each 1/3 of a pizza. How many portions do you get? We need 5/6 divided by 1/3. Step 1, keep 5/6. Step 2, change division to multiplication. Step 3, flip 1/3. 1/3 flips to 3 over 1. Now multiply. 5/6 times 3 over 1. 5 times 3 is 15 on top. 6 times 1 is 6 on the bottom. We get 15/6. Simplify by dividing both by 3. 15 divided by 3 is 5. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So 15/6 equals 5/2, which is 2 and 1/2. You get 2.5 portions. Nice. Okay, before we wrap up, let's talk about the mistakes that trip people up, because now you won't make them. Mistake number 1, flipping the wrong fraction. Remember, you only flip the second fraction, never the first one. Mistake number 2, forgetting to change the division sign to multiplication. All 3 steps work together. Mistake number 3, forgetting to simplify your answer. Always check if you can reduce. And mistake number 4, jumping into keep, change, flip with a mixed number. Convert it first. Avoid these 4 traps, and you're golden. You absolute math rock stars, you made it. Let's do a lightning-fast recap. A reciprocal is just a flipped fraction. To divide any fractions, use 3 magic steps. Keep the first fraction exactly as it is, change the division sign to multiplication, and flip the second fraction to its reciprocal. Then multiply straight across and simplify. If you have mixed numbers, convert them to improper fractions first. That is literally all there is to it. Practice these steps a few times.